That's awesome. This next song we're going to sing about L-O-V-E, love, and how God loves us so much.
Come on now, let's open up the book. Come on now, and take a good long look and see God has given us all we need to be free. It's about you, it's about me, it's about the truth that sets us free. It's about L-O-V-E, love from the